Hi, I'm Beth from Restyle Pieces Boutique. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my new DeWalt Miter Saw. Woo! I'm so excited that I'm going to unbox and show you all the details and do my first miter cut. So if you want to watch that video, stay tuned. First things first, let's get these boxes open. First, I'm going to start with the stand. And I was cutting it open and I realized probably easier just to lay it on the floor to do that. Absolutely. I briefly looked at the instruction manual and I decided this is not a big deal. So I just kind of threw it aside, kind of like my husband usually does. Quick and easy to get the stand up. You just pull the legs out and snap into place, and there you have it. There is a handle on the bottom that you can take it from place to place, and it makes it easier to carry. So here are the little pieces that go on the top. They just snap right on. You have to push pretty hard. This is what mounts your saw to the stand. So we're eventually going to mount this piece to our saw. It might be a little ridiculous to love and hug a power tool, but I have been thinking about this piece for quite a while, so I'm really excited. And pretty much it's all put together. Thank you, DeWalt. The stand was like that. The saw was like that. This is a clamp that goes with it that you can clamp your piece to the saw or the stand. So it also comes with a dust bag. It has a zipper in the back of it, and it just attaches to the back of the saw. It's really simple. It also comes with a tool so that you can replace your saw blades and a little handle to help you rotate that saw back and forth. I set all my pieces out, and then it was time to attach the saw to the brackets. These are those brackets that we snapped onto the stand. So we placed them out. Oh, got that backwards. But I got them both placed out right. Pushed that back so he could hold it up while I attached all the hardware. It was a little difficult to get to and to screw those things on. And I didn't have one of the longer tools to use to attach that, but I managed. Time to put the saw on top of the stand, and you start in the front, by the way, and then you push it down and then it just snaps closed on the back. Push a little harder. There we go. And I didn't really have the right deep well socket, the right size or length, so I kind of improvised with this screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. All put together and ready to rock. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. As a first-time saw owner, I had no idea why this wouldn't go up and down. I was like, what is wrong? But I finally read something and I pushed the safety and I pushed the whole saw down. Then I reach back here to this pin, pull it out, and turn it just a little bit so it can be let loose. So then it releases that safety pin. So when you're done working, you put that safety pin back on, or if you want to move it and the saw doesn't move. So here I've got my 45-degree set, my very first cut. I'm so excited. At this point, I didn't have my handle on there yet, but I reached under there and changed it to the other 45 degrees because I'm trying to fit these together and do some practice boards before I work on a mirror frame. And it took me a little while to figure out where exactly to put my line and where to put my hands. This didn't feel right. You want to make sure your hands are at least 6 inches away from that cutting area. But then I realized it worked better just to use my left hand on this angle. So you'll see the bag on the back of the saw that holds the sawdust. I want to hook my Festool up to this. So I'm going to take a minute to figure that out. And look, I have 2 angled cuts. We're going to see if they fit together. Success. There you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here today. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and like and hit that bell button so you get notified when I have new videos that come out. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.